Hi, this is James from Hornbill Technical Support, and this is a short video to show you how to report using time functions. Now, if you wish to use some form of prompt with reports, I suggest you watch the video which is reporting how to use prompts. Here I'm going to do something slightly different. So, as you can see here, I'm using the Supportworks 750 client, and it's Service Pack 3. This will also work with other versions of Supportworks Client. So I'm going to go straight into the Management Information and Reporting tab, and I'm going to create a new report. So right click on System Reports and New Report. I'm going to choose Grouped List, and I'm only going to use the Open Call table. So I'm going to select Open Call, Add Table, then Next, and I'm going to choose some fields. Let's say call ref, customer name perhaps, and let's get status in that. So I'm going to click on Next. So this is where you would define a particular time frame. So for this I'm going to use the log call date, so which is log date. So I'm going to type in opencall.logDateX. You'd always report in the X field in this particular scenario. So I'm going to do more than SW time. So this is a function that's actually built in to Supportworks, and this is your operator start of today. So as I do this, I'm going to quickly save that. Next, group that, set a summary graph. Next, test report. So give it a name. Finish. What I am going to show you is in the help menu, Supportworks help. If you search for SW time, functions and their descriptions, you have a set of particular functions that you can use within reporting and other areas. If you wish to report on the start of the day, let's say the log date is start of the day to end of the day. So I'm going to keep that handy here. So if I minimize that and go back to our report, so properties, filter results. So it needs to be in this particular format. So what I'm saying here is I want to show all calls in the open call table where the log date is more than start of today. So I should only see calls that's been logged today. So if I click on OK and run the report, I'll see my 3 calls which I know have been logged today. So now if we go back to change that, you can also add seconds to this. So if I change this to less than the end of today, what you can also do is add in seconds, and it will need to be in seconds. Let's say 2419,200, and as we can see, this in today's is basically 28 days. So I'm saying please bring up calls that's been logged less than the end of today minus 28 days. So if I go back to the client and click OK and run the report, you see I've got a lot more calls here. So these are calls that are logged older than 28 days ago. So you can play with these different time frames. You may wish to go through the Supportworks help to help you out with the particular functions that can be used, and also you can obviously use these with any field, not just log date.